Good morning, Hello Kitty Warriors. Good morning, Ninja Kittens. It is time for more Hello Kitty Cooking Yoga with Sandy. And we're doing something very simple right now. We're going to do Morning Glory Vinyasa in our 4th of July wear because we're wearing red, white, and blue. We're dressed in red, white, and blue. We've got our blue wings on. Breathe in and breathe out. 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 Let's go get some water. Let's go get some water. Breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Take a minute and do a little flow. Breathe in and breathe out. Everywhere you go, anywhere you go, breathe in and breathe out. You can do this anywhere. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. It's just a little bit of yoga. 1 minute to start your day in a very balanced way. May sweet water and light laughter fill your days. Always do your best. Always be your best. Have a great 4th of July. And remember, you are a drop of God love every day in every way. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but more importantly, give yourself love and thrive today. Thrive on Ninja Kittens.